AI image generation is the process of creating photorealistic images, graphics, cartoons, art, and other visuals by feeding a simple text prompt into an image generating AI. The AIs then use algorithms and computer programs to generate your images. So, for example, let's say you'd like a photo of a woman with her laptop. With a good prompt, you can generate an image like the one on the left. Or perhaps you'd like a picture of a laptop and a cup of tea. And develop something like the image on the right. Or something simple like an alarm clock in your brand colors. AIs can also generate art for you, like this gorgeous floral painting. And it can also create all kinds of fantastical, otherworldly images as well. For this one, I asked Midjourney AI to create an image that represented all of the different versions of Midjourney AI, and this is what it came up with, which I think is pretty cool. Let's talk about some of the image generating AIs right now that are on the market. There are a ton of them, and more being released this year. Some of the ones you might have heard of are Midjourney AI, which is my favorite, Leonardo, also pretty good, DALL-E, Canva, Descript, Stable Diffusion, Adobe Photoshop, and so many more. There are even you can even find image generating AIs now on stock imagery sites and Fine Art America. And also, you can just simply Google image generating AI or Google list of image generating AIs, and you'll see quite a few options pop up. That being said, not all AIs are created equal. Some might produce horrifyingly funny six-figured humans or bizarrely melted faces, just like what you'd see in a horror movie. Others produce animals with extra legs and misshapen bodies. As you can see in this example here, the one on the left was created by Canva. It cut off the nose of the horse, added an extra back leg, and the hooves are warped. The one on the right was created by DALL-E, and the headquarters aren't fully developed. The head, I think, looks a bit misshapen, and the sunset is pretty washed out. Whereas the image in the middle was created by Midjourney. It's got really great detail, looks realistic, and has a beautiful sunset. So you can tell that the quality of the images can vary a bit across these different AIs. Part of that is because of how many versions they've gone through and how much info is going into them and how much they're developed. So one of the best image generating AIs is Midjourney. With over 5 versions, it creates photorealistic images and mind-blowing graphics. Using top quality generating AIs will make your life easier and is far more likely to generate images you'll love for your marketing. You know, many of these image generating AIs are evolving, so it's quite possible Canva and many other AIs could get better at creating customized images for you and your business. Just don't think they are quite there yet compared to AIs like Midjourney. Another thing to look at with AIs is how much you can customize the image. Many will only give you the option of adding in a text prompt, but won't let you customize the image. Midjourney has many options for customization, such as a prompt which allows you to specify what you don't want in the image, like maybe you don't want any of the color red in the image. You can also weigh certain parts of the command that you want prioritized, and you can even blend images together. And now you can even add your face onto the images. So this level of customization is really helpful in getting your images in your brand color, making sure that the correct aspect ratio, and that they fit all of your marketing needs. So let's go into actually creating one. I'm going to show you an example here in Midjourney. So I'm here in Discord, which is a community platform that is also where we communicate with Midjourney AI. So we're going to be entering a text prompt and sending that info to Midjourney AI. It's then going to create our image and send it back. So to create the prompt, we just go into this little message bar here. We do /imagine, that starts our prompt off. Now we're going to enter the image text description of what we would like Midjourney to create for us. So let's say I would like a photo of a woman running in a park with autumn colors, sunset, and I also like to put in taken with a Nikon DSLR because that tends to make the image a little more photorealistic. So let's see what happens when we do that. We just hit enter, and so it's sending that text prompt off to Midjourney AI, and it is going to create our image for us. And it's going to send the image back with 4 different options. So while we're waiting, we can look at this image here. For this one, I was asking for a photo of a man working on his laptop in a restaurant, big windows, natural light, smiling, and taken with a Nikon DSLR. And you can see this here is what it created for us. So it basically did exactly what I asked it to do. and created an image with all of those components in there. So very cool. And then you can pick one of those images and decide which one you would like it to upsize for you. Okay, so it looks like it's finished. Our other image here, and this is what we were asking for, is a woman running outside in a park with autumn leaves, which is exactly what it created for us at sunset, also what we asked for. So very cool, and you can see just how easy it is to enter your command and have Midjourney create a cool image for you. All right, so if you would like to learn more about image generation, especially with Midjourney, I do have a workshop coming up and it is going to be awesome. We're going to talk about all of the setup of Midjourney, as well as the settings and the prompts and ingredients that go into the photos to get photos that you can really use for your business and for your marketing, and that will appeal to your customers. So yeah, definitely check out the link in the description of the video, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you there at one of the workshops.